Hey guys, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. Terribly sorry for this late video. Actually, one video I shooted earlier, I wanted to post along with this because sudden pop up of many functions and other things I couldn't post continuously. But don't worry, upcoming videos are already ready and you'll be getting you'll be a lot of videos. Nearly day by day you'll be getting every videos. So here I'm to speak about my vaccination experience. Of course, second dose itself on the way, maybe on October 2nd, I guess. Okay, things apart. My first vaccination experience was it was good actually. I didn't have much side effects on the vaccination. Very mild reactions I had actually. Being Sputnik V, there were many speculations about it. It has major side effects and you'll definitely get fever, etc., etc., etc. So I'll say from starting actually how it went through. So I was in the hospital. There weren't much people, so I was literally alone. I was entering the hospital, so they took my blood pressure first. That time itself my heart was pumping. So yeah, because there was so many speculations. No matter you made up your mind and you're out for vaccination, everything goes around. What if I get a heart attack? What if it happens if I fall ill? Or those kind of so many things like when we are vaccinating will be going on. So then I went to the nearby room where you'll be vaccinating. So after the blood pressure check you have made, and yeah, till then like those 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, not even less than that. Those 5 minutes were really, I feel like it was going very in slow motion, just like in the filmy effect actually. Due to no matter you are very strong enough to face the vaccination apart from the speculations, actually it is nothing. But I don't know why people have so many those kind of either fake news or whatever it is. So those goes in your mind, right? So they were asked, I was given the vaccination. Like I went into the room, and within a second the nurse came and injected me, and just it was over. It was nothing actually. It was nothing. So I was like, what? Is it over? And I didn't feel at that time. I didn't have any reactions or nothing. I had actually, and I was outside like waiting for the half an hour. They have asked me to. So that time, like from the half an hour, I didn't have any reactions. Definitely, thankfully, actually. So the funny part was like many other people were actually it's actually not funny, but another doses of Covaxin one person was there for Covaxin vaccine, and they came and they started falling in. And once the doctors came and checked, and it was nothing. Actually, it is just the fear which will make us fall in. So after coming home, maybe around I vaccinated at 12, I guess, and back home by 3. Yeah, 3 because due to lots of traffic. Then I had my lunch, and the day went well. I didn't had any other major reactions or nothing actually. But by the night, I was feeling a bit tired. That was the only thing I was facing, is that I felt a bit tired and I felt hungry. Yeah. Generally, I don't feel that hungry, but this time I was like, my body was like, give me food while I feel that. So yeah, I was very hungry. Only that was the thing. So actually, as of the nurse and the doctors told me, the major instruction was not to take non-veg. Of course, I'm a vegetarian. I don't have that problem that I will be taking non-veg. And and if necessary, take paracetamol. So I don't want to take risks. So I took paracetamol. And the night went well. But yeah, in the morning, I was feeling the tiredness. I actually felt tiredness for the following 3 days. Generally in Covishield and Covaxin, you just face only one day tiredness or whatever the symptoms you face. But this one, I felt the tiredness for 3 days, and of course the arm pain was there. It was not that big pain, but like while lifting your arm, you'll be getting some mild pain, like how to say, like you'll have mild blow in your hand, and bit you'll be having for few days, right? But then on the fourth day it was fully vanished. So yeah, it was also another instruction, you must not rub this hand. So yeah, only that much was the issue. So apart from that, nowadays due to the many speculations are there that people are getting feared in vaccination. No matter now many are like getting the vaccination, still there is a lot of fear in people. Even I was very feared, like I was scared, like damn scared. Even I was the person who doesn't want to get vaccinated at all. But yeah, it went through, and the second dose on October 2nd. So yeah, that's it. Like please get vaccinated, because we can take off the mask only if we have 70% herd immunity. That is 70% of the population gets vaccinated. That two doses. As of now, in India, we are only 16% vaccinated. Like really 16% only. Like we are like majority or people young and educated people, but still only 16%. Yeah, even I'm also getting it late. So if we get only 70% vaccinated, we can take off our masks. So if you want to get rid of this mask, right, you have to. Till then, you have to wear masks and sanitize yourself regularly to avoid the delta, beta, gamma variants of the corona. So the key points are, it doesn't have major side effects. Sorry for the interruptions. And yeah, this is my first video, so if there is any like lacking, this, that was there, just like bear with me. The future videos will be much better, and I promise it. Okay, so yeah, I didn't have much side effects. Only the 3 side effects are my arm pain, tiredness, and hungry. Like it will be very like மடி அடிச்சா சாப்பிடணும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்ற மாதிரி, you have to take food. So that was the only things, like, but tiredness, that is also one thing. So if you are vaccinating, the key points to be noted is like drink plenty of water, and if you are working, or like if you have schedules to follow, take in the weekends, or if you have another 1 or 2 days leave, like it'll be more helpful for you to cope up with the vaccination, like side effects or whatever it is. And it is very good to like having side effects. That is the only way your body is telling, yes, I'm definitely working on it, and I'll be storing the DNAs of the I'm sorry, not DNA, it is the antibodies, so that it can fight in the future. So it is good to have fever or whatever it is. So always have a leave-in handy before you're taking vaccination. Drink plenty of water, and avoid non-veg if you're taking any of the vaccinations. Actually, in my family, we have all the varieties. If you have Covaxin, if you had Covishield, and then Sputnik. Okay, it doesn't have much side effects actually. Thankfully, no one had. Thankfully, and I wish everyone who's vaccinating doesn't have any major side effects. So those who aren't vaccinated, please vaccinate. Then only we can get rid of this corona and these masks and these sanitizers. Really, don't you feel stuffy? Huh? Please vaccinate who aren't vaccinated. And don't worry, there is no much side effects. So if you're in the ranking, not the ranking, in India we are having only 3 vaccines, like Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. So if you are looking for like really very low side effects, and like old people or the people with much issues, right, who's having sugar or thing, like major advice is that take Covaxin. Covaxin is the dead form of the viruses. Like vaccine is like the part of virus is given to you so that your fighting mechanisms create antibodies. So Covaxin is much very less in side effects, and Covishield and Sputnik, like you can take according to your doctor's advice. So you can choose anyone and definitely take the vaccine. So these are my, I told you all the side effects. How to vaccinate, like before vaccinating, keep your leaves in handy. Definitely vaccinate. Book your slots. Drink plenty of water before and after, and avoid non-veg for at least 1 week. Now, why they say that is that non-veg has this protein, right? So while we are vaccinating, it is a form of coronavirus, so your body automatically create an autoimmune disorder if it has a major protein issue. So that is why they are saying at least for minimum for 3 days, maximum for 1 week, avoid non-veg. Thankfully, I'm not a vegetarian, I'm a vegetarian. Okay, just cut this off. In India, we are having only 3 vaccines like Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik. So each has its role. So Covaxin is the very milder dose because it has only the dead samples of the virus. So as I said earlier, right? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm repeating. Okay, so Covishield and Sputnik, right? They have the live form of virus, and Sputnik is something like we have the samples of not samples actually, DNA of the spike protein of the coronavirus, as well as some virus of a gorilla, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So those two are like bit you have side effects compared to Covaxin, because like my grandfather and grandmother had Covaxin, and literally even I had this tiredness and those things, but they didn't have any side effects, like nothing. They didn't take a paracetamol or anything like that, and even my mom. So those who are looking for like really safer vaccine is like Covaxin, and it's totally not sponsored by Covaxin to say me this is Covaxin is best to you. No, not at all, because efficiency is Sputnik is higher, and then Covishield, and then Covaxin. But like 2 to 3% doesn't like vary the effects of fighting back corona. Most important thing is you have to get vaccinated. Like choose yourself and definitely get vaccinated. So that's it for this video. I hope you are entertained by the experience I had, and if there is any you don't feel or much it is not much interesting to you, bear with me. Like the upcoming videos will be edited bit, and you have much comedy, like you have some spices up so that you can enjoy the video much better. Yeah, I'm just repeating for you all. You don't get any side effects. Just keep leave in handy, because that is more important. Rest is the major thing you have to follow after the vaccination. Rest, hydration, and good food, like timely food actually. Yeah, that's it. So keep those in mind and please get vaccinated. Hope you like this video. The future videos will be much improved, and suggestions do give in comment sections, and more editing process will be there. And don't worry, there are so many videos lined up to entertain you. And stay tuned, and please subscribe who aren't subscribed, and like, share and subscribe is a standard dialogue to be heard. Okay, so yeah, please vaccinate, and don't worry, you don't get much side effects. You'll be fine. And yeah, thank you. Hope you liked the video. And yeah, soon my second vaccination experience also will be there. So like, share and subscribe, and